creative friends, welcome to my channel, and here we are. I'm just showing you really quickly a recipe that I did using the frozen pre-cooked sausage that you saw me get out of the freezer. So this was so simple. The cool thing about pre-cooking things like your sausage or your hamburger is that it's already cooked. You don't have to like thaw it, you don't have to cook it, and literally I took the package of sausage and I put it right there in the pot with my pasta sauce, and I had some mushrooms in the fridge, and I just put those in too, and I let it get it until it was like a little bubbly and it was hot all the way through while I cooked pasta noodles, and I had some garlic bread. But this was super simple because I have the most delicious spaghetti sauce ever. This pasta sauce is my absolute favorite. It's the pasta sauce from Mrs. Wages, and I don't, she didn't ask me to do this. I'm just telling you, I have a video where I made this pasta sauce, but you know what? I'm going to do another one because I only have about 6 of these left and I need more. So you can never have too many pasta sauce canning videos, right? So in the future, I will do another pasta sauce canning recipe with the Mrs. Wages pasta sauce. But if you look back at my channel, you'll see one already made. But anyway, this is the absolute best, and how convenient to open a jar, put in the pre-cooked sausage, wash off some mushroom slices from the fridge, and you have an amazing, super yummy pasta sauce spaghetti dinner. And the garlic bread is just one of those ones I got at, they're like, I don't know, $1 or something. And they're pre-done long garlic breads. I just like those. I use those for lots of things. So anyway, there it is. A quick and easy meal. And this is still from the No Buying Meat for 6 Months challenge. And I think this is delicious. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.